guys, it's Marissa and we are going to be playing with this new PinkFresh, or it new to me I should say. It's a PinkFresh Wreath die and I'm going to create a card using this die. Before I move on and do that, don't forget to make a comment on this video for a chance to win the Best Sentiments Altenew stamp. And on the 26th, on Thanksgiving Day, the video that will be uploaded that day, the lucky commenter will be able to win this grateful die. I have 9 holiday videos this month of November 2020. Comment on each of those videos and each lucky commenter from the video will win a Best Sentiment stamp. And on the 26th, or Thanksgiving Day, the winner or the lucky commenter will win this grateful die. So don't forget, make sure you comment on this video and go back to the other videos. I'm going to place the link on all the videos in the description box below that I have already released. So don't forget, and I will draw this and upload the winner on the December 7th video. I'll be right back to show you how I'm going to create a card using this die. It's so cute. Okay guys, I was able to cut the wreath and some of the elements here for the wreath. I'm also going to use, and I've already cut it here already, the Merry Christmas from Tim Holtz's Holiday Word Scripts. And this is an older die and our die set. So there it is, Merry Christmas. I'm gonna put this on the side for now. And let me show you, because it's a little, I wouldn't say it's intricate the way you cut the dies. And by the way guys, I've discovered, and what I really like about this is they have a magnet at the back to hold all the dies, and that was really sweet. Because some of the dies, when you purchase them, they just line a double-sided tape and just put the die on, and it's a little difficult to take off sometimes. So let me show you how I put this on the die before I cut it. So I just lined it up this way. Just it's not too, you know, picky or whatever, but just line it up this way. Obviously you're gonna have to take the cut part or the cut side upside down this way, and then this is how I was able to cut this die over here. And then what I did was, there's 2 things that you could use with this wreath die. You can make into flowers or you can make it into berries. And then I just cut this in a lighter green color, this 2 over here, and we're going to layer them up here in a few minutes. This cardstock here, I also cut it down 4 3/4 by 6 3/4 to fit on top of a 5x7 base. Anyway, I plan to put this on top here, and then hopefully we can put the Merry Christmas down here. It's so, I love these colors, my gosh, they're so cute. And there you go, and I plan to do this over here, and then it says Merry Christmas down here. Isn't that cute? As it is, it's already cute. So I'm going to go ahead and start tacking this down. Let me use my 11th finger here, and we're going to use our glue here. And I'm just going to go ahead and lay this down. Try to center it. I'm also going to go ahead and put our letters here already, so I won't have to worry about them, looking for them later, because I have a tendency to misplace my smaller dies if I don't have them close at hand. So let me go put this down. I'm not going to worry about the oozing of the glue because this will dry clear. I was a little heavy-handed there with the glue. All right, the next part we're going to do here is going to put down more of our holly leaves here. So I'm starting with this 3-leaf hollies here, and then I'll go back and put down the tear-shaped, this one's down here, the tear-shaped dies that we cut. So I'm putting about, I'm just measuring it, just trying to evenly spread these leaves out. I'm going to have some extra here, guys. That's okay. That means the next card, I don't have to cut too much, too many of these dies. Okay, now I'm going to spread out the tear-shaped dies. They're a little intricate, guys, but that's okay. I'm finding this to be very relaxing. I know, probably a little weird. Some of you guys may think I'm a little weird, but I find this very relaxing. And I plan to, at this point here, I'm going to put down a berry. So cute, guys. I am just loving this. I find this putting together dies to be very relaxing, and sometimes the stamping makes me feel relaxed too. It's just a total stress reliever for me. So for this one, I'll put the berry down there. Some of them I'm going to only put one, some of them I'm going to put two. And if you don't want to put the berries down, guys, guess what you can use? Sequins. It's a lot of things you can use in lieu of the items that have already been put out here. So for me, I find that putting together a die like this, as intricate as this, I'm going to put 2 of the small berries here. Maybe I'm even going to put 3 berries. So I just used a foil paper for this berries, red foil paper, and then for this green, this is the Recollections brand cardstocks. Okay guys, let's put our card on the base. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. See what I was telling you guys earlier, where there was a lot of oozing of the glue here? I'm using the art glitter, and this is the clear, dries clear. Anyway, let me go ahead and put this down. I know I used this and I just refilled it with that glue, so I just wanted to make sure that you guys know what I'm using. And actually guys, even the Lawn Fawn, I couldn't find it right now, but even in the Lawn Fawn, it also dries clear, so that helps a lot when your adhesive dries clear and you are heavy-handed with the glue like I am. Just centering. And there you go. Here's our card, guys. It's so very easy. This is why I love die cuts. I love being inky, but I also love working with die cuts, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this very easy card, guys. I really loved the red and the green contrast, and of course the black contrast here. You guys, if you like my video, please thumbs up. Please don't forget to share, that way to share this video and all the other videos that I have, so that other people can see what we're doing here. And that's pretty much it for now. I need you guys to stay well and be safe always. Thank you always for your support. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.